Hi everyone, it's Elaine Young, certified yoga therapist. I'm very excited to share with you one simple self-massaging technique that I use almost every day. And this self-massaging technique is not only great for resolving tension in neck and shoulders, but also great for reducing your stress hormones called cortisol. And when we get stressed out, a lot of our energy get bunched up right around here in the head, in the neck and shoulders, and you probably feel that yourself as well. So with this self-massaging technique that I'm going to show you in this video, you can do it anytime, anywhere. While you're seated at your desk, while you're waiting for the bus, while you're sitting on the train. So it's not really limited to just on your yoga mat. You can even do this first thing in the morning or before bed. So go ahead and watch this video, try this out, and you can let me in the comments below whether you liked it or not, whether it was helpful, and where are you doing it? How often are you doing this practice? Like I said, I do this pretty much every day while I'm just kind of in front of my computer. And if you like this video, be sure to, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I come out with a video every week with these very practical and simple self-care practices. And if you know someone who could also benefit from this video, you can share it to them. All right, hope you enjoy the video. I'll see you next time. You just sit in a comfortable position, either on a chair, on the floor, or if you're standing right now, you can do that as well. Standing is fine. We just need to access the neck and shoulders. And you bring your hands together, give them a nice good rub so that you feel the warmth spread through your hands and into your fingers. And then you're gonna bring your left hand to the upper right side of your neck. Okay, so as you can see, I'm coming across my chest. I'm not doing this. I'm not reaching back behind me. I am going across right here to the upper right side of my neck. And then I'm just going to massage and palpate the muscle. So this is the action, okay? And in fact, let me take my hair up so you can see what I'm doing here a little better. Okay, so right here, and I'm just massaging through my neck like I'm trying to widen the back of my neck. And I work down to my shoulder. And you want to focus on this really fleshy part of your shoulder. You know, when you carry your purse, you can feel that tension there. When you feel stress, you feel everything tense up. That's where you're going to focus your time on. And work your way down your arm. So like I said, not only is this a great way to help ease some tension, relieve tension through your neck and shoulders and even your arms. Actually, this line of massaging will help just kind of bring the energy down from your head and reduce it down a notch a little bit. Otherwise, sometimes when we hold a lot of stress, everything's up in the neck and head, and sometimes, I don't know about you, sometimes I just feel like my head might just explode from all the tension there. And that's never a good feeling. Sometimes it leads to headaches, and the headaches can linger for a few days. So this is a great one for headaches too. So once you get down to your hands, I'm going to come in a little closer. You're going to just wrap your fingers or hands around the fingers and kind of continue the track and journey out through to your fingertips, okay? Just like you're trying to get something sticky off your hand. Okay, give that a shake and set it down. And notice how you feel between your left and right shoulder. And for me, the side that I just worked on, it just feels a little lower, a little wider, looser. And everything on that side just kind of drops a little. I'm not kind of gripping as much. Oh, and you can even see that. Oh, wow, that's really cool. You can see this side kind of just dropping a little bit more. Okay, so let's do the other side. Again, you rub your hands and palms together. Get some heat. And then bring your hand to the opposite side of your neck, upper corner, kind of where your hairline starts. Again, this is called the cortisol massage. Almost like you're trying to bring the amount of cortisol levels swimming through our bloodstream that's in our head and neck and shoulders, and just bring it down as you massage your way down. Again, focus on this fleshy part of your neck where you tense and grip when you're in stress, but also posturally as women, carrying purses, that kind of thing. Okay, and then work your way down your arm and all the way around, almost like you're trying to pull the flesh out away from the bone. So basically really just giving space into our musculoskeletal system. And don't forget to breathe. And again, once you get to your hands, you're going to roll out through each finger like you're trying to get something sticky off your hands. Again, give that a shake. And rest both hands down. Feels so much better. And in fact, I've been doing a lot of computer work this morning, so that was very, very timely. Good reminder for myself as well.